Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best 3D printer for beginners. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Annette. Model number, A8Plus. Annette A8Plus 3D printer with an impressive 300 x 300 x 350 print volume for general purpose quality 3D printing. The bigger than average build size allows a wider range of prints. Universally compatible with all branded filaments and great for the 3D printer enthusiast who want to understand a 3D printer by building it. The Annette A8Plus is a quick assembly printer made from a combination of aluminum extrusion, durable parts and easy clean design. All metal frame body, stable structure and high printing precision. Upgraded operation method, movable operation LCD display. The magnetic movable panel breaks through the ergonomic design. Efficient and convenient to operate knob-type button. Aluminum substrate heat bed comes with a glass panel, so that the printing is smooth without sharp edge and the model is easy to remove. Number 4. Brand name, Anai Cubic. Model number, Chiron. Anai Cubic Chiron is a large bed FDM desktop 3D printer kit with a massive build area of 400 x 400 x 450 mm. It is easy to set up and operate. Its affordable price makes it ideal for 3D printing experts as well as beginners who want to get their feet wet in the 3D printing world. Semi-auto leveling and resume print. Equipped with an auto-leveling module which automatically detects 25 points, supports real-time adjustment compensation of nozzle height. 3D printer can resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. One click to resume from the last recorded position when suffering power outages. And the sensor pauses prints and sets off an alarm when you run out of filament, which greatly saves time and material. Easy to assemble and use. Full metal body, stable and durable, modular design and only take 5 to 10 minutes to assemble. TFT touchscreen with brand new friendly UI to preview model and printing process on screen. Offline printing, we use high-grade extruder, smooth feeding and not easy to plug, which can provide you a better printing experience of flexibility. Printing precise and safe. Equipped with Y-axis dual sideway and Z-axis dual screw rod design. The height on both sides of the Z-axis will be recalibrated before each printing, which can reduce the probability of releveling before each printing, and the print precision of our Chiron 3D printer is greatly improved. 24-volt DC high-power heated bed, heating up to 100 degrees Celsius, independent high-power MOSFET drive. Taking into account safety and heating effect. One user designed and then printed this fully functional, amazing automated vehicle. The Anai Cubic Chiron can print at 50 microns. This allows you to produce smooth and detailed models. Equipped with a double Z-limit switch, it offers enhanced bed leveling precision for greater printing accuracy. The unique high-precision nozzle of 0.4 mm hot end with straight-through design reduces the weight on the X-axis, which delivers better performance even on very tall prints. Number 3. Brand name, Kengo. Model number, KP5L. Kengo KP5L uses a carborundum glass plate, which has a microporous structure, which not only makes the model easier to disassemble but also makes the hotbed flatter, providing better printing affection. 300 x 300 x 330 mm large print size, to meet your more printing needs. 24-volt 350-watt high-power output, no need to adjust the voltage. The power supply automatically recognizes the 90 to 260 volt voltage. making the current output more stable and avoiding the complexity of adjusting the power supply. When the Z-axis moves left and right to print, it is more balanced and the printing accuracy is improved. High-performance 32-bit mainboard. Ultra-quiet print with TMC 2225 stepper driver. Now you can work without disturbed in your print room. Number 2. Brand name, Voxel. Model number, Aquila. The Aquila 3D printer equipped with carbon crystal silicon glass plate and super quiet printing designing. The printing model will not easily become warped and the printing sounds is below 50 decibels. Aquila 3D printer could automatically resume printing when power comes on. It won't print from scratch once meeting filament breakage, saving time and avoiding waste. 32-bit silent motherboard, silent stepper motor, ultra-flat carborundum glass bed. The easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, enabling you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. Put in the filament end and it starts feeding automatically. The enhanced feeding module of Aquila ensures stable feeding. Number 1. Brand name, Creality 3D. Model number, Ender 3 Pro. The new Creality 3D Ender 3 Pro is an improved version of the Ender 3, with all the features of its main model, and a redesigned structure, which gives greater strength and stability to the base and Y-axis. It also incorporates bearings, which offer you more rigidity, reducing friction, giving you better dimensional stability and helping reduce the overall noise level. High-precision MK10 extruder greatly reduces the risk of clogging and uneven extrusion. Hotbed can reach 110 degrees Celsius in about 5 minutes to meet the needs of fast heating and printing. Adopting newly soft magnetic sticker, easier to remove the model and solve printing warping edge problem. CNC machining Y-axis mount and groove, guarantees precise positioning and more stable structure. Safely protected power supply and resume printing function. You can continue printing after the power is restored.